Hey guys, welcome back to another unboxing. Today we're checking out the nut milker. So I know it sounds a little interesting, but stick with me for a little bit and you'll understand. So make plant-based milk from soybeans, grains, nuts, seeds, almonds, oats, coconuts, and more. So let's go ahead and show you guys what you get. Alright guys, so power supply, little bag, measuring spoons, cleaning brush, and your how-to manual and the unit itself. Inside, little instructions, another little pamphlet, and inside there you go. So it looks like, let's see, looks pretty easy for cleaning, being wider, and that's it. So it gives you little instructions on the back as well. Touch display. Alright, well, I guess let's give it a shot. Alright guys, then you got your display. You can set your time, set your settings, and go from there. So timer, menu, room temperature, boil, keep warm, hot milk. So you can set that. That's awesome, guys. That is awesome, and it smells delicious. Wow. That is awesome, guys. Very nice. We love this. Now, if you add more water, it would have got more liquidy. If that, not a word, but that's really nice consistency. Very impressive, guys. Very, very impressive.